Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Roblox. So please don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. So let's go and open the browser over here. And now once we open the browser, we need to go to Google, search engine. And once we're here in Google, we're going to search for Roblox and open this website, roblox.com. And once here, we need to log in with our account. So as you can see, I've been already logged in, so there's no need to log in once again. If not, just log in with your account or create a new one. And then here, click on this gear, now the settings, and choose the first option, which is settings. And then you here on the settings, as you can see, this is my display name, and this is my username. So if you'd like to change this one, I'm gonna click over here on this button, and then I'm gonna change this name. For example, I'm gonna remove this one and click on save. And then my display name has been changed, but for my username, I'm gonna click on the symbol over here, and I don't have enough funds or insufficient funds, so I need to get 1,000 Roblox coins to change my name. So I'm gonna click on buy over here, and as you can see, we got these bundles or these buckets to buy. For example, if I could 400 for $4.99, 800 Roblox packages for $9.99, or 1,700 Roblox for $19.99. So once I buy these, if you buy any one of these, for example, this one for 1,700, because you need at least 1,000 to change your name. So I'm gonna click on settings once again and go here on this page, and then you go to your username and click over here to change it once you buy these 1,000 coins. And so that was all today's video. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.